How to fix Instagram's filters not working. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram filters not working. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and click on your story. Now click on the camera, and like you see, when you turn on the camera you see those filters. To choose whatever you filter you want. If you didn't see those filters, that's mean maybe your Wi-Fi connection is bad, and because those filters need a good internet to update. So or the second thing, you should go to your setting and go to manage apps, search for your apps and click on it, click on manage apps and click on Instagram. Now click on clear data and clear cache. Okay, and this is it. Now you should try, and if it didn't work, go to your Instagram and report a problem and send your feedback to team Instagram. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.